Hey there, my friend. Welcome back to another episode of the English Talk Show, where English becomes real, simple, and part of your life. I'm your host, Peter, and today, I've got something a little different for you. Let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered if you're actually fluent? Like, how fluent am I really? Well, here's the truth. Fluency is not about speaking fast. It's not about knowing every grammar rule. And it's definitely not about sounding like a robot from your textbook. Fluency is something much deeper. It's about understanding people, understanding English as it's actually used, in real conversations, with natural rhythm, with all the weird expressions, slang, and tone. And here's the big message of today's episode. If you can understand these expressions I'm about to share, then guess what? You're more fluent than you think. So stay with me. Let's test your real-world English fluency. And I promise it's going to be fun, surprising, and maybe even a little eye-opening. First, let's define this word fluency, okay? Most people think fluency means speaking perfectly, or having zero accent, or being fast and impressive. But the truth? Real fluency is your ability to understand and respond naturally. Even if you don't speak much, if you understand everyday phrases, emotions, tone, and cultural meaning, that's fluency. Think about kids. Babies listen for years before they speak fluently. And when they do, they're not perfect, but they connect, they react, they understand. That's what I want for you. All right, here's how this will work. I'm going to give you 10 expressions or phrases that native speakers use all the time. I'll say each one naturally, like I'd say it in conversation. Then I'll slow it down, break it down, and explain what it means, how we use it, and why it matters. Are you ready? Let's go. Expression 1. You gotta be kidding me. This means, that's unbelievable, or I can't believe that happened. Example, your friend says, I lost my phone again. You gotta be kidding me. It's not angry, it's surprise, frustration, or even humor. Expression 2. It's up to you. This means you decide. You have the control. Example, do you want pizza or sushi? I don't know. It's up to you. Simple, powerful, used all the time. Expression 3. Don't get me wrong. This is a really common one. It means, I don't want you to misunderstand me. Example, don't get me wrong. I liked the movie, but the ending was a bit weak. Use this when you want to give an opinion, but be polite. Expression number 4. That's not gonna cut it. That's not gonna cut it. This means that's not good enough. That won't work. Example, you studied for only 5 minutes? That's not gonna cut it for the exam. Expression 5. What's the catch? This means it sounds too good to be true. What's the hidden problem? Example, this app is totally free. What's the catch?
Expression 6. Long story short. This means, let me skip the details and tell you the main point. Example. Long story short, I missed my flight because I was watching cat videos on YouTube. Yep, that happens. Expression 7. It slipped my mind. This means, I forgot. I totally forgot. Example, oh no, I was supposed to call you. It completely slipped my mind. We all need this one, right?
Expression 8. I'm on it. Fast version, I'm on it. Meaning, I will take care of it. I'm already doing it. Example, boss, can you send the email? You, don't worry, I'm on it. Very useful at work. Expression 9. I'm not feeling it. This means I don't like it. I'm not interested. I'm not in the mood. Example, want to go to that party? I'm not feeling it tonight. It's very casual, relaxed. Native speakers use this a lot. Expression 10. It is what it is. Simple but powerful. It means I can't change it. I accept it. Example, the weather ruined our trip. Yeah, it is what it is. Sometimes life happens, and this phrase helps us move on. Quick fluency challenge. Now, let's do a quick test. I'll say a short story using some of these expressions, and I want you to listen carefully and see how much you understand without translation. Ready? Mini story. So, long story short, I was supposed to pick up my friend at the airport, but it totally slipped my mind. He called me like 3 times. I said, I'm on it now. But he was like, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah, not my proudest moment. But hey, it is what it is. How much did you understand? If you followed most of that, congratulations. That's fluency in action. So let's come back to the title. If you can understand these, then you are fluent. And guess what? You just did. You didn't translate. You followed the meaning. You connected. That's real English. That's fluency. That's you growing every single day. And don't worry if you missed a few things. Fluency is not perfection. It's progress. It's awareness. It's connection. Now tell me in the comments, which expression was new for you? Which one made you smile? And how many did you understand without the explanation? If you liked this episode, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the English Talk Show. We have so many more episodes coming. Stories, lessons, expressions, and real-world English made just for you. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, you're doing better than you think. I'm Peter. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.